Wow.
Yeah.
And
Truth is always weirder than fiction.
the scary rumor is that Putin has cancer, and that
Or Parkinson's is one I've heard as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. He's clearly on steroids, but that could mean a whole lot of things.
Like prednisone or something along
Yeah.
those lines. And you say that because of his appearance?
Yeah,
Like-
he looks very not just flushed but puffy.
Yeah.
And that's kind of a classic too many steroids in your system issue.
And this puffiness is these steroids are to battle this cancer somehow?
In theory, steroids keep you going in a time when you should probably be laying down is really the kind of the bottom line. Whether he's medicated, over-medicated, or medicated because of medical reasons, we really don't know. He's not in great health. That is obvious. And for someone who has been the shirtless horseback rider in the propaganda videos, that's a real problem. He's visibly wearing bulletproof or bullet-resistant vests, even around his own propaganda people. There was this great piece that came out that I saw last week where it was all the propaganda shots that he's taken with the soldiers' mothers and on the front and with the tech people and in the intelligence. And it was like the same 12 people were in every single shot, just in different outfits. And even with those people, he's wearing his ballistic vest.
Now, when you say when you talk about his appearance that he's clearly unhealthy, is there? Can you demonstrate that? Are there images that show him a couple of years ago versus now, where you could see his appearance?
Yeah, it's not much of a reach. Like I said, he likes to pose shirtless on horseback to show how virile he is.
He didn't look good on shirtless on a horseback.
Yeah, I know.
To be
You got to
honest
look
with
at it from the Russian point of view. I mean, the standards are a little different.
Are they?
Oh yeah, and he's got the shakes. That's one of the reasons why the Parkinson's analysis, I guess, has come out.
I've never seen any of this.
Yeah, it's
So there's video of him
Yeah.
shaking. See if you can find any of that, Jim. See if you can find a comparison.
Yeah, I got an article on like a timeline of his health.
Okay.
Here's the shakes part. Let's
Go.
see.
yeah, and
It's
he's
a 3-minute video. So we'll
he
just
used to
watch
be
it,
a
I guess.
fairly animated speaker.
Boy, he does look puffy.
Now, whether or not he's actually sick or not, I have no idea.
Could it just be that he's just drinking a lot?
Technically, he says he's a teetotaler, which is pretty rare in Russian society. But he's still alive, and a lot of Russians make it to his age,
How old is he now?
mid-60s.
And so it's just an appearance thing. We don't have any real hard data that he's sick.
No, we do. Well, the folks in the intelligence world who are listening to his phone calls and reading his email might, but that has not been made public, to my knowledge, from the American side.
So Ukrainian military intelligence chief claims Putin is very sick and a coup is underway.
Yeah, but
What do you think?
Donov has been saying that there's a coup underway since March. So he's kind of the Ukrainian propaganda guy. I wouldn't put too much